Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change alarm sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First of all, go to the home page and click on clock icon, and you will see here what are the alarms set in your phone. Here I have only one alarm set at 4:30 a.m. If you want to change alarm sound here, just click over it and click on alarm sound, and you can change sound. Now click on ringtone and select any other tone. This is the set alarm, and I would like to change it to another one over the horizon or any other. I have set to smooth wave, and just go back, and this will be the alarm sound. Now in this way you can easily set any alarm sound. You can also set alarm sound by adding mp3 files. Click on this plus symbol, and if you have any music file in your SD card or in your local folder, just select it, and that song will be the alarm tone. Here I select this one, and that will be alarm sound now. Okay, click on done. After selecting, click on done. Yes, that is now selected as alarm sound. So you can easily change alarm sound in your phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.